Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to activate and use Afterpay in Cash App. First, make sure your Cash App is updated to the latest version. Next, open Cash App and sign in to your account. To check if you are eligible for Afterpay, go to the Money tab or tap on your profile icon. Look for an option that says Afterpay or Pay Later. If you see it, that means your account has access. If you do not see it, the feature may not be available to you yet. Before using Afterpay, you need to link a debit card as a backup payment method. Go to the linked banks or card section in Cash App and add a valid debit card. Now you are ready to shop using Afterpay. To shop inside Cash App, tap the Afterpay tab. You will see a list of partner stores. Choose a store and tap Shop Now to browse items and make a purchase using Afterpay. You can also use Afterpay when shopping online. At checkout on a store's website, select Afterpay as the payment option. When prompted, choose to use your Cash App virtual card. Cash App will show your virtual card details, which you can enter to complete the purchase. After your purchase, the total amount will be split into 4 payments over time. You can track and manage these payments directly in Cash App. Thanks for watching.